Alright, excuse me, I'm a little out of breath. So I decided to hike up here looking for that little cave, but I think the entrance is right kind of beneath me, but the trail didn't seem to go there, so I guess we're just not going there. It's so sad though, there's trash everywhere up here. You know? It's so sad. I don't even know who to blame. Like, who the hell is paying good money to get in here, hiking up here, and then throwing, beer cans and stuff around? I really don't get it. I mean, it's just, I don't even have words for it. It's so sad. But this is what society's come to. Nobody appreciates anything. Why don't we just create a landfill right here? Be great, right? I'm not really against windmills, but I'm gonna say the windmills are kind of ruining the whole vibe. Alright, let's see. Hopefully you can see that. Maybe I can get a little better viewpoint. This is very jagged here. I mean, these are some jagged rocks. It's definitely a place you can take a tumble and like really regret it. Yeah, look at this. I mean, just trash, guys. It's awful. Absolutely awful. Who the hell's coming up here to throw their trash away? It's wild. Alright, here we go. This is pretty nice. I mean, look at this. That's unbelievable, man. It's absolutely unbelievable. How pathetic and sad. Come to this level as a society. Today's episode brought to you by Monster Energy Drinkers. Thanks, folks. We sure do appreciate y'all. Anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.